Plazola, and today we're going to go over how to draw Guff from Fortnite. So let's get started, okay? Going to go right over here and draw I was going to say a little bit of a curved head right here. So we're going to go right here and pull down. Kind of like he's got like a pretty round head that way. Going to pull out over here, in. Over here, I'm going to pull line in. We're going to continue downward right here. Another little flare. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you can. Definitely helps out. All right. Let's take care of the head first so we're confident, you know? So we're going to go over here, draw a little bit of a curve right there. And he's going to have like this hat on. Over here on this side first, out for a wing. Over here on this side, out for a wing. Curving in right here. It's got like a kind of a puffy wing right there, and curving in. Out over here, curve. Same thing on this side. It's kind of like that puffy wing going on. We have a little strap coming down over here on the left side, so it's more or less just a straight line down, and another line down right here. A little strap. Over here on this side, same thing. We're going to go over here. I'm going to find a circle for one eye. He's got these really tiny beady eyes. Circle over there. I'm going to leave that circle in the middle to make it look like a highlight. And then we're going to draw the mouth right here and then close it. You know, that one, it's going to be, you know, just dark. Curve over here for kind of the shoulder area. Line over here for the shoulder area. And now we're going to start on this side, and we're going to give him this little, like, kind of backpack shoulder pad thing. Oh, it looks like a backpack or whatever, shoulder pad. Out over here, same thing. It can be even, you know, mine's a little off right there. Could be a little bit longer. But, yeah, good stuff. Don't forget, by the way, you just want to get the gist of it. You don't have to get like every single little detail. As long as you get the gist of it, it's completely fine. Gonna go down over here, pull down for the rest of the torso. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve, 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 down right there. Out over here for the arm area, out over here for the arm. It's kind of like the sleeve of the area. And we're going to do the same little bumpy curve around this level. Boom, 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 boom. Don't forget to hit the like if you like Fortnite. Definitely helps the channel out. Curve over here. And now, let's see. We'll draw his leg right there on that side. It's almost like he's wearing shorts on that side. And then they're going to split in the middle here. And it's the same thing, this little bumpiness underneath. It's almost like it's popcorn or something. I'm going to go over here and draw the foot. The line down. Line down. Out over here. Up. Down over here. Out. Up. Right here. Down over here, down over here, down over here, down over here. What do you call this? It's that part where your thumb is pretty much. Pulling up. Okay, doing pretty good so far. Don't forget to pick up the free cute drawing ebook. It's in the description. It's basically kind of goes over like the proportions of making something cute. So for example, like when you draw something cute, usually the head's bigger, but how much bigger? Like the eyes are bigger, right? But how much, right? It's all about proportion, and you could slip into like chibi territory, or if you want to go more of like a cartoon kind of thing. And we talk about that. It's not even really talking about, it's just these charts showing you, right? So once you kind of learn the concept through those charts, like it's only 10 pages, and they're different charts. Once you learn that stuff, you can apply it like immediately, and that's the cool part about it. So pick one up. It's completely free. Go to the description. I strongly recommend you go there. And yeah, check it out. All right, I'm going to go over here on this side. Thumb over here on that side. Down. Up over here for the hand right there. And you can put a large mass on that side. You know, like collect all the fingers in one, and then you draw a line right there to separate them out, right? Let's go over here on this side, the exact same thing. Down right here for the pointer finger. Curving up at an angle. Up right here, pulling back. And then it's going to curve, curve, curve. Right there. True. It's okay. So let's get into the smaller details. We're almost done, so stay with me. I'm going to go over here and draw it. Curve right there for the star on his chest. Over here. Over here. Over here. And over here. There you go. You get the star on the chest there. All right. Also, there's a little bit of some circle shapes right there on the shoulder pad thing. I don't know if it's like a backpack or a shoulder pad. Can somebody tell me what that is? And then now we're going to draw little, like basically you want to show the texture, right, of his outfit. So we're going to go right here, curve, 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 curve right here, and then curve, curve, curve right there on that side, curve, 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 curve on that side here, curve, 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 right? It's this texture throughout his body there. So we're going to keep going on this side as well, maybe over here on this side, right? Let's say over here around his chest plate, just his little U shapes to make it obvious that the texture's different, right? Over here as well. Let's go over here on this side. We're almost done. We're basically at the end. And curve, curve, curve. Over here on that side. Curve, 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 curve. Right on. And I think there's a couple lines I forgot right here on the tassels right here. Right there. And that's it. There you go. That's Guff from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed that. I want you to share the video if you can. And I want you to stay here because we're going to start another drawing lesson, okay? Right now. So let's get into the next drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.